Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best small apples for sensory bins available in the market. We're discussing the Hanycon 15 PCS miniature apples with 3 PCs basket. This set includes 15 mini simulated apples in 3 different colors: red, green, and yellow. Additionally, it comes with 3 mini baskets for storage and decoration. The mini apples are made of clay, which gives them a cute and realistic look. The colors are bright and vivid, perfect for sensory play. The mini baskets are made of resin, ensuring they are strong and not easily deformed. These mini apples and baskets have a wide application, suitable for shops, offices, living rooms, hotels, markets, and other mini scenes. They can also be used for party decorations, table decorations, Tibetan crafts, photography props, and more. The mini apples are approximately 8*6 mm in size, while the mini basket is about 4.4*2.7*1.7 cm. Please note that this item is not intended for use by children 15 and under. In conclusion, the Hanycon 15 PCS miniature apples with 3 PCs basket is the perfect choice for creating sensory bins or adding a touch of realism to your mini scenes. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching Product Critique.